Yeah, welcome to another session of Sam's Economics tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to derive the saving function. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to derive the saving function and also determine the value of the MPS, that's a marginal propensity to save. And lastly, calculate the value of the multiplier. So solution. We see that the value of the consumption function has been given. There's a consumption function equal to C equal to 100 plus 0.75 YD. YD represents our disposable income, and also the tax has been given as 0.1. That's a direct tax equal to 0.1Y. And our focus was to derive the saving function, and we know that saving S is equal to income minus consumption minus direct taxes. So what we need to do first before we continue, let's look for disposable income. This YD. So our disposable income YD will be equal to income minus tax, income minus direct taxes. What we need to do next is to look for the value of disposable income. So we are going to have a YD to be equal to Y minus 0.1Y. 0.1Y represents a direct tax. So this is which gives us YD to be equal to 0.9Y. So that's our value for disposable income. So now that we have had a value for disposable income, so let's substitute in this function, saving function, to be equal to Y minus the consumption function. So we are going to bring down this consumption function, 100 plus 0.75. So a value of disposable income, that's what we are going to put here. So we are going to put 0.9Y. So that's it, minus a direct tax, which is 0.1Y. So we have a saving to be equal to Y minus a consumption minus direct taxes. So let's continue. So let's multiply this bracket as 0.75 multiplied by 0.9. So we're still working with the consumption function. So we are going to have 0.675Y, all that minus 0.1Y. So that's the equation, and we are going to have our saving to be equal to Y minus, when we take minus multiplied by 100, we are going to have minus 100, then minus multiplied by 0.675Y, we are going to have minus 0.675Y minus again 0.1Y, that is our direct taxes. So we are going to have 0.1Y. So we need to collect like terms together. So s, that is a saving, will be equal to minus 100. So when we take 1, the value of the coefficient of y represents the coefficient of y is 1. So 1 minus 0.675 minus 0.1 gives us 0.225y. 0.225y. So that's our saving function. So let's look for the MPS. Our MPS represents the marginal propensity to save, which is this 0.225. So our MPS will be equal to this. MPS is equal to 0.225y. That's our value of MPS. And we are going to have our K, that's our value of multiplier, to be equal to 1 over MPS plus our direct tax, that's our marginal propensity to tax. So we are going to have which gives us 1 over 0.225 plus 0.1. So we are going to have 1 over 0.325, which gives a value of k to be equal to 3.07. That's the value of k, the value of a multiplier. So thank you for viewing, and see you in our next video.